Allchinabuy versus CNfans, shipping items and prices compared. So this is a simple guide on Allchinabuy versus CNfans. So when it comes to shipping, the advantage of China Buy or Allchinabuy, it offers a variety of shipping methods such as standard, expedited, and priority shipping. For standard shipping, generally it takes 15 to 30 days. For expedited shipping, usually delivers within 7 to 15 days and is priced higher but ensures faster delivery. For priority shipping options were available, aim for even faster delivery times within a week or specific regions. Shipping costs, many items offer free standard shipping, especially smaller and lower price goods. Tracking, Allchinabuy generally provides tracking information for most shipping methods, allowing customers to follow their package journey. As for CNfans, shipping options provide similar options such as economy, standard, and express shipping services. Shipping time, they have this economy shipping, express shipping. Shipping costs, they have this free shipping, express options, and for tracking, most orders include tracking, especially for express and standard shipping options. For items, Allchinabuy, known for primarily for its vast selection of electronics, gadgets, and consumer tech items, such as smartphones, consumer appliance, accessories. They also have this product range, brand offerings, flash sale, and deals. CNfans specialization, CNfans focuses more on fashion, lifestyle, and home goods. For example, clothing, beauty products, home decor, fashion accessories. Product range, while not as tech heavy as Allchinabuy, CNfans does not or does stock some electronic and gadgets, but its main focus is fashion and lifestyle. For prices, Allchinabuy tech product pricing, prices on tech products such as smartphones, tablets, and smart home gadgets are generally very competitive, but they also offer discounts. And for quality to price ratio, the pricing is budget friendly, but the quality of items can vary based on the brand. For CNfans, fashion and home goods pricing, CNfans offer low price fashion items including clothing and accessories. Discounts and deals, they offer frequent sales and seasonal promotions with discounts of up to 50% off or more during clearance events. Electronic pricing, it depends also with the brands. So as a conclusion, the decision comes down to what types of items you're looking for. If you prioritize tech gadgets, Allchinabuy is your best bet. If you want fashionable clothes or home decor at low prices, CNfans is a better option. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.